Hi guys,
Ano man sabi?
it's a new day. May inay, may ate, may Ellie, may mommy, me. And bye-bye guys. Anong gusto eh? Here, my lecture fan. Here, my lecture fan guys. And I will show you my room. Here are my room. And here is my daddy.
You know. Hi. How are you?
Now, a goodbye, guys. And now, at in our room, like this. This is your room. And you know this. Here's my puppy Jesus. And here's my pillow, guys. And now I go show you my toy. Here's my toy, guys. And now I will go show you on my. No, I'll go show you on my sharpeners. Here on my sharpeners. Tsaka here is my car. And go I show you. And on my room. I'll show you on my room. And Lucas. Oh, wait. Why? Ayun ka. Mami ya. Kasi may pagdamangan.
Hindi kami mag-vlog, kami kakain.
Hi guys, here's my mommy guys.
Hello.
And I will show you on my Diana way.
I'll show you.
Are you recording, David? Ah, yes. Okay.
Here, yes.
Sabawasin muna kayo.
Here, yes. May gusto ko, mama.
Ha?
Gusto ko.
Ano? Go. Dali, mag-vlog ka muna.
Daddy, laro tayo.
I-eat mo namin.
Play with us.
Iiit kami, tapos I go show you.
May pag-flying kiss pa.
And go show you guys. Daddy.
Yes.
Sana kay Ate Nicole. I go show you my Ate Nicole, guys.
Hi! Nakita niya ng mami. Here's the siya ng mami. Sabi.
I'm here.
What's that? Ano na naman yung babalagay sa here's the siya ni mami.
Hello. I go eat night. Bye-bye.
Sige. Galing yan. Bakit ba yung red mo?
Ano ito, ate?
Gano'n yun cellphone.